Hey Canada, I'm Jacinthe, the founder of Maison Jacinthe, established here in Quebec since 2014. If you're looking for clean beauty products or wellness products, we've got you. Did you know clean beauty industry used most of the time fillers like sunflower oil? Maison Jacinthe is my wellness company. We make all our natural skincare using the best oils and compounds the world has to offer, and only that. We also offer a world of supplements and superfood using that same model. I don't give any limits to my formulators. Therefore, you have the best of the best, period. Because we own our company and own our production ecosystem, we can simply give you the best at the best price. This isn't just a passion, it is my mission to inspire you to make important and wonderful lifestyle changes and therefore feel so much better. And now, for minimum orders of $90, we will ship our products to you for free throughout Canada. You won't understand our difference before you try it. So here is my selection for you. For your face and skincare routine, I have an amazing beauty ritual, starting with the cleansing oil, then the hydrosol, and exquisite serum. As for our superfood, I drink this every day. It's called my fountain of youth with our #1 collagen, our greens. You mix all that together, it tastes so good and you feel the change. You feel the change in the energy and in your body. You have to try this if you're around 50. It's our formula for menopause and you cannot live without it afterwards. And focus for your brain. It makes you sharp. Then we have a range of adaptogen, and this one tastes like chai. So you mix it in our protein and you will just love it. You will fly during the day. For your hair, our shampoo and conditioner are amazing, 100% natural, but also sumptuous. And your hair will look amazing and you will stop losing them because silicone are the worst and they're everywhere. I invite you to try Respire Bien. So you spray above you are your children and you just start to breathe better. We also have makeup, luxurious, rich, natural, vegan makeup that will take care of your skin and the one of your teenagers. And those brushes are brushes. Have been used by Hailey Bieber for the last 3 years. We're very proud of them. They're just perfect. I'm very proud of our unique high-end perfume private collection, 100% natural. You will be amazed. Try Maison Jacinthe today because all of our clients regret not having tried us before and you will want more.